One more question, it is also important. See, I told you one formula yesterday, which include the resistivity, right? Which include the resistivity. What that formula was, Nakul? What that formula was? Nakul will say the formula which include
ओम मीटर ओम into मीटर
फिर से रिपीट कर आवाज कट થાય છે
formula R proportional to 1 by A.
डायरेक्ट फाइनल फॉर्म्युला जो હતો ને પ્રપોર્શનલ વાળું છોડીને ફાઇનલ ફોર્મ્યુલા હતો
Ohm into meter.
नो फॉर्म्युला आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यूनिट फॉर्म्युला हेली फॉर्म्युला
RA upon L is equal to P.
ओके
P is equal to RL upon A. P is equal to RL.
not p, it is rho, it is not
Rho is equal to
r a upon l, right? But how, okay, whatever, but if someone asks us, then we should say the formula in this way. Remember it, that is r is equal to rho into l by a. That is the formula, and the next question is based on this formula, right? Because we have seen one question based on the Joule's law, H is equal to I square RT, that P is equal to V square by R, P is equal to IV, P is equal to I square R. On that basis also we have seen one question. Series parallel, we have seen lots of questions. So let us see one question based on this formula.
Sir.
Yes. So R is equal to rho into L by A, right? So in this there can be two types of question mainly. See, simply you will be given, જેમ કે માન લો કે આ એક કંડક્ટર છે, બરાબર છે? એની આપણને રેડિયસ આપી છે. What will be given? Radius. Imagine the radius is 7 cm. What? Radius is 7 meter. એટલું બધું હોય ના, 7 મીટર એટલે બહુ દૂર. એટલી બધી મોટી કોઈ રેડિયસ હોય ના. એવો કોઈ કંડક્ટર હોય ના, બરાબર? પણ આપણે માન લઈએ કે 7 મીટર રેડિયસ છે. Okay? And the length from here to here, the length is, let us say, 10 meter. Barabar? Length is 10 meter. Barabar? And the resistivity, which material it is? I am assuming this material is of copper. Which material? Copper, right? Okay. So we will be given the resistivity of copper also. Just a minute, let me check the resistivity of copper. It is also given in your book, but let me check the resistivity of copper. The resistivity, that is rho, not P. Remember, it is rho. This is how it is written, rho. Resistivity of copper is given as 1.62 into 10 raised to minus 8. And what is the unit of resistivity? What is the unit of resistivity? Someone speak.
Ohm meter.
Ohm into meter, right? So see, this kind of data is given, and we need to find the resistance of this conductor. The resistance of this conductor, right? Okay. So what is required? Rho into L by A. We have been given the rho. Put it here. We have been given the L. 10. Put it here. Length should be in the meter. It is already given in the meter. If not given, we need to convert it into meter, right? But it is given in the meter. And then area. But area is not given to us. The radius is given to us. So we need to find this area. Can someone find the area and say me what is the area? Jaldi area find karo. The radius is given as 7. What is the area? Find it out. Area find karo jaldi. And say area is pi r square, right? Pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7. R is given as 7. 7 into 7 because r square, right? Good. 7 7 gone. 22 7 154 meter square because it is meter. So radius will also be meter. Area will also be meter square, right? Put this area and all the things here. You will get the resistance, right? So resistance R is equal to rho into L upon A. So rho, what is rho? 1.62 into 10 raised to minus 8. What is length? 10. What is area? 154. Now it is a little bit tough to solve. I'm not wasting. We should not waste our time to solve it. But just solve this, and whatever answer is coming, that was ohm, right? Because it is resistance, and resistance must be in the ohm, right? Solve it, and you will be given so many questions today. You are supposed to solve it this way, right? બીજો કયો રીતે question પૂછી શકાય? In this example, the chances are that we have been given the resistance already, length already, area already, and we need to find the resistivity. That also we can do. Make this resistivity subject. So resistivity is equal to R into A by L. Simply, मतलब which આપણને કયો ડેટા આપણને આપ્યો છે એના પરથી કયો ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે એ પ્રમાણેનું આપણે ઇક્વેશન વાપરવાનું, right? So here we need to use this equation, okay, so that you can do. Okay, now let us see another question. One last question and then we will see mathematics for some time. We have the time is half an hour is there. So see, one question is there. See, this is my conductor, right? This is my conductor. Imagine the length is L and the area is A. Previously, this was the pole. This is also made up of copper. And now what I am doing, the area is the half and the length is double. This is also what? Copper, the same material, but the new length L new is 2 times the previous length, and the new area, that is here, area new is equal to what? The old area divided by 2. Are you getting? That is a question. Then અને આપણે કીધું છે કે આનો રેઝિસ્ટન્સ છે ને છે, this is my R old, આનો રેઝિસ્ટન્સ मान लो 10 ohm છે, કેટલો છે? 10 ohm, and then we need to find the R new. આનો રેઝિસ્ટન્સ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. I hope the question is clear. I am repeating the question, pay attention. Just a minute. કોઈને ક્વેશ્ચન માં ના ખબર પડી હોય તો મને પૂછો. ક્વેશ્ચન ના ખબર પડી હોય તો પૂછો. This is resistance which is made up of copper, right? Previously એનો એરિયા A છે, લેન્થ L છે. એ વખતે એનો રેઝિસ્ટન્સ કેટલો છે? 10, right? Now the area is half. પહેલા A હતો, હવે કેટલો થઈ ગયો? A by 2, right? A by 2, and the length was doubled, 2L. Then what is the new resistance? That is what we need to find out, right? Okay, so see what I am doing, how to find. Can anyone get the answer? No one. नहीं आवड़े कदाच. अर्थ करवानो जो I'm writing over here. First of all we need to find the new now, so I R new upon R old. Can you see it? Okay, now what is R new in terms of resistivity? R is equal to rho into L by A. So R mu is equal to rho. Now see, both the materials are of copper. So resistivity will be same, whether it's a new or old. Resistivity will be same, right? So here I should not write rho nu. It is rho. Then rho into L. But L is new because it is new. I am adding for this. Or just do one thing. Let us don't take the ratio, otherwise we will be confused. So R mu is equal to rho into L nu upon area nu, right? And then R old. So R old is equal to rho into L. L old is L, and area old is A, right? And then take the ratio of these two. So it is R mu upon R old. What is R mu? Put it over here. So it is rho into L mu upon rho into L mu upon A nu. And here it is rho into L upon A. I hope this step is clear. Now, this is main line. We know that denominator of numerator will go in the denominator. So it is rho into L nu upon A nu into rho into L. Denominator of denominator will go in the numerator. So it is A, right? So you see, rho and rho are same. So cut. Rho and rho are same. So cut. Right? Then what is L nu? L nu get fusion 2L. So it is 2L into A divided by A nu. What is A nu? A by 2. So it is A by 2 into L. Right? So L gone, A gone. So it is 2 divided by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Again, denominator will go in the numerator. So 2 to the 4. Are you getting? બરાબર. હવે અહીંથી અહીં લખું છું, અહીંયા લખું છું. ભલે શું થયું જો R new by R old is equal to 4 by 1. Right? So R new divided by R old is equal to 4 by 1. Therefore R new is equal to R ऊपर जैसा यहाँ. So 4 into R old. So 4 into what is R old? 10 ohm. So what is R new? 40 ohm. 4 into 10 it is 40 ohm, right? જોઈ લો, જેને સમજ ના પડી હોય મને પૂછી લો. Just observe this question and say me if you have not. Ask me if you have any doubt. It's a very important question. Okay, I hope it is clear. હવે જો આમાં ઇન્સ્ટન્ટલી કઈ રીતે ખબર પડશે આપણને એકદમ ઇન્સ્ટન્ટલી. સી આઈ ટોલ્ડ યુ લેન્થ વધે તો રેઝિસ્ટન્સ શું થાય? વધે. અને એરિયા ઘટે તો રેઝિસ્ટન્સ વધે. Here you can see length is increasing double 2 times. તો એનો રેઝિસ્ટન્સ કેટલો થાય? 10 નો 20 થાય. અને પછી એરિયા અડધું થાય એટલે પાછું રેઝિસ્ટન્સ ડબલ થાય એનો. So what is the double of 20? 40. That is our final answer. I hope you are getting. દિમાગમાં in mind you can solve it. Okay? Likewise. બરાબર? પહેલા length double થઈ એટલે 10 to 20 અને પછી area half થયો એટલે 20 to 40. And that is my final answer, the 40. Okay? That is how we can solve it instantly. Like this. So this kind of question you will see in today's worksheet. Okay, solve it. And let us see some 2-3 questions. We don't have much time. 2-3 questions of the maths right now. Just a minute, let me download the book. I hope you all have the that value is clear to you. What is the sine 30? What is cos 30? What is the cos 90 and all these things? Okay, because today we require that thing. So let us take one question. We need to find the value of this sine 30 plus. I think we have done this numerical. Whatever, let us do it again. 10 45 minus cos x 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos plus cot 40. Right? So what is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Yeah, 1 by 2. So put it over here 1 by 2. Okay. What is tan 45? 1.
1.
What is cos x 60? So cos x 60 is the inverse of sine 60.
2 by root 3.
Very good. 2 by under root 3. Right?
Under root 3.
2 by under root 3. What I am doing, divide by sec 30. Sec 30 means also under 3 by
1 by 2.
sec 30 is the 2 under root 3 sec 30. Okay, everyone do one thing, mute yourself, do not speak, okay, it will okay, no problem, right? So, but what is sec 30? Sec 30 is 2 by under root 3. I think it's 2 by under root 3 because cos 30 is under root 3 by yeah, it is 2 by under root 3. Tell me if I am wrong, it is 2 by under root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Say me if I am wrong, kada I am mistake करे हम kada try to माने के. See, this is our main line. Okay. See, this is actually very important thing in this. So let me use the different lines so you can understand it very clearly. Where is our main line? See, I am drawing this main line by the blue color. This is my main line. There is no doubt. Okay. Then what is the LCM over here? It is 2, 1 and under root 3, right? So what is LCM? 2 by under root 3. So in the numerator it is 2 by under root 3. બીજું આનું બધું સાઈડ થાય 2 1 અને under root 3 નો LCM શું રહેશે? 2 by under root 3. Then I need to multiply here 2 by under root 3. 2 2 cut. What is remaining? Under root 3. Sign is plus. Sign is plus. Then 1 shade negative also 2 into under root 3. Then minus. Here also I need to multiply by 2 by under root 3, under root 3, under root 3 cut. 2 to the 4, right? Then in the denominator. Again, what is LCM? 2 under root 3. So here I should write 2 under root 3. You will get here 2 under root 3. So under root 3, under root 3 cut. 2 to the 4. Sign is plus. Here also 2 under root 3. 2 to cut. What is remaining? Under root 3. And here also 2 under root 3. Here is plus. Plus 2 under root 3. I hope this step is clear. If anyone has a doubt, please ask me. I think we did this numerical. I am not sure, but I think we did. But whatever, let us recall it. Okay. What is next step? It is under root 3 plus 2 under root 3 minus 4. So you can see from these two terms, आणि आगे कसं होईल सूर्य 1 છે. So 1 under root 3 plus 2 under root 3 will be 3 under root 3, right? ખબર પડી? આમાંથી under root 3 common કાઢો એટલે બાકી રહેશે 1 plus 2 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So it is 3 under root 3. So it is 3 under root 3 minus 4, right? Then I am drawing the main line. This main line is by blue color. So we know that the denominator of numerator will go in the denominator. So it is 2 under root 3 will be here. 2 under root 3, right? Again, 4 under root 3, 2 under root 3. Now we can add these two. We can add these two. And here again 1. So 1 under root 3 plus 2 under root 3 is 1 plus 2 is 3 under root 3. So I am adding in bracket 4. You can see 4 plus 3 under root 3, right? And again, denominator will go in the numerator. So as 2 under root 3, it will come here. So it is multiplied by 2 under root 3. वो लास्ट स्टेप समझना पड़ेगा तो मैंने को लेना स्टेप समझना पड़ेगा मैंने को. Good. I think everyone is getting this. Then here it is. See, you can see 2 under root 3, 2 under root 3 cut. You can see. So what is remaining? 3 under root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 under root 3. Okay. Now what is the next step? What we need to do? Rationalization, right? Because in the denominator root is not allowed. Irrational number is not allowed. So we need to rationalize it. How? Here is 4 plus 3 under root 3. So I need to do 4 minus 3 under root 3. And if we are doing in the denominator, we will have to do the same in the numerator. So it is also 4 minus 3 under root 3, right? So now it is a plus b, a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. That is 4 square minus 3 under root 3 whole square. Right? And numerator, I am writing as it is 3 under root 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 3 under root 3. So in numerator it is binomial to binomial. So first of all this into this, then this into this, this into this, and this into this, right? That I am doing with this so that you understand. It is first, second, then third, and then fourth, right? Good. So let us do it. So 6 sine plus plus plus. Wow, answer is getting good. Then 4 is a 12 under root 3 plus minus minus 3 is a 9 under root 3 into under root 3 3 under root 3 into under root 3 is 3. So it is 3 and then 3 is a 9. So 9 is a 27. समझ ना पड़े तो पूछो टफ पे करूँ कदाच कोई समझ ना पड़े तो पूछो 27 then this into this so it is minus plus minus 4 4s are 16 then minus minus plus 4 3s are 12 under root 3 बोलो क्लियर है वो आज तक ना दो जो समझना पड़े पूछो आगे की 3 स्टेप्स okay then next what is square of 4 16 minus 3 square is 9 under root 3 square तो under root अरे आ square रहते हैं बाकी रहते हैं only 3 right then હવે જો આમાં શું થશે આ 12 under root 3 અને આ 12 under root 3 બંને લાઈક કેમ થયા બંને એડ કરો so 12 plus 12 કેટલા થાય 24 so it is 24 under root 3 minus 27 minus 16 what is minus 27 minus 16 minus 43 divided by 16 minus 9 is the 27 as it is 24 under root 3 minus 43 16 minus 27 is minus 11 right so this is also correct answer if I need to multiply this minus here in the numerator then the sign will change so it is 43 minus 24 under root 3 divided by plus 11 this is also correct both these answers are same and correct who got this answer 43 minus 24 under root 3 by 11 Nakul very good so Nakul got this answer already I hope others are also getting the same answer
सर
yes
अब बोला 24 कैसे आओ 24 रूट 3
हाँ
हाँ
हाँ तो जो यहाँ 12 under root 3 છે આ અને બીજું 12 under root 3 છે ને જો
हाँ
બંનેને એડ કરો તો 12 under root 3 plus 12 under root 3 લખો બીજો 12 under root 3 plus 12 under root 3 तो under root 3 कॉमन નીકળશે પહેલા એટલે બાકી રહેશે 12 plus 12 અને 12 plus 12 શું થાય 24 under root 3 પડી સમજ
हाँ
તો જો બધા જ ક્વેશ્ચન આ રીતના જ છે you just need to put the correct values and you need some basics okay કોને એડ થાય કોને એડ ના થાય બધા જ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આ રીતના છે ઓકે એક ક્વેશ્ચન જો સ્લોલી સમજશો બરાબર રીતે તો બાકીના બધા જ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ you can solve by yourself okay so we are going to do one more question टाइम आउट થઈ જાવ કદાચ જો 4 મિનિટ બાકી છે ટાઈમ આઉટ થઈ જાવ તો પાછા આવી જજો બીકોઝ એક ક્વેશ્ચન હજુ જોઈએ અને પછી જે કાલે સ્ટડી કરવાનું છે મેથ્સ ની અંદર એ આજે સમજી લઈએ બરાબર છે એટલું કરવાનું છે આજે એટલું કામ બાકી છે વન મોર ક્વેશ્ચન અને કાલે જે સમજવાનું છે એના ફોર્મ્યુલા રાઈટ એટલું સમજવાનું છે અત્યારે એટલું બાકી છે જો આપણે તો આઈ હોપ આ લખી નાખ્યું હશે બધાએ લેટ્સ ગો અહેડ નાઉ So now let us take another question, and that is let us find the value of this c cos square 30 plus sec square 30 plus 2 cos theta so 2 cos 0 plus 3 sin 90 minus 10 square 60, right? So what can be done? Put the value and let us try to solve it. So it is 3 into what is the value of cos 60, cos 30 root 3 by 2, and then square so it is square, right? Plus what is sec 30? Sec 30 is also 2 by under root 3 and then square plus 2. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. You can see in your table cos 0 is 1. 3. What is sin 90? Sin 90 is also 1 minus tan 60. Tan 60 is under root 3 whole square, right? बस हमें सॉल्व करवाना मुझे so it is 3 into under root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4 divided by under root 3 square is 3 plus 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3 minus under root 3 square is 3 square root gone. So let us solve. 3 3 is 9 divided by 4 4 by 3 plus 3 minus 3 cut 2 by 1. So 9 4 and 3 LCM is 12 multiply by 12 multiply by 12 multiply by 12 4 3 is 12 9 3 is 27 plus 4 4 is 16 plus 12 is 24. So it is 24 plus 16 48. This 57 by 12, right?